Hello everyone, welcome back to Power Within Psychology YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to discuss about admission details for Central University Common Entrance Test, also known as CUCET. So we will be focusing on MA or MSc in psychology or applied psychology or sports psychology. So at first, the last date for the registration for Central University's Common Entrance Test was today, that is 1st September. But yesterday, they have given an official notice which stated that the last date has been postponed to 5th September. Okay. So National Testing Agency, that is NTA, will be conducting the Central University's Common Entrance Test 2021 for admission to the integrated undergraduate and post-graduation programs of 12 central universities for the academic session 2021 to 2022 in CBT mode, that is computer-based test. Okay, so as stated, last date is 5th September 2021. So we have got few more days to register. Make sure you all register before 5th September. Last date for payment of fee online and correction in the particulars is 6th September 2021. Fee payable. So it is rupees 100 for general, OBC and EWS applicants, and it is rupees 350 for SC, ST and transgender applicants. And there is no fees for PWD applicants. Mode of examination. So mode of examination is computer based and the pattern of examination is MCQ. Duration of examination is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. There is no change in the examination date up till now. The examination dates have been given as 15, 16, 23rd and 24th September. Timing of the examination, so there will be 2 shifts for examination. One will be from 10 to 12 and the other will be from 3 to 5. Okay, pattern of question paper. So there are 25 questions which will constitute of English, general knowledge and numerical ability, and 75 questions will be from the respective subject. So because our subject is psychology, so we will get 75 questions based on psychology. So now I have listed here eligibility criteria for all the psychology courses, that is MA in psychology courses, in MA in sports psychology courses, as well as applied psychology. We will be reading through all these eligibility criteria now. So for the degree MA and the program, that is psychology, now this program code and test paper code will be helpful to you while filling the application form and I guess exam form. So therefore I have mentioned this too. Though you will also get these in the official website also if you want to refer to it. So for MA Psychology and the given code, eligibility criteria is graduation from any recognized university with a minimum of 50% marks or equivalent grade in aggregate. Relaxation of 5% to SC, ST, PWD and OBC, that is a non-creamy layer candidates. Now coming to the codes 2, and this is in MSc and psychology. All program code are different. This code is PG276 and our MS psychology code was PG275. But yes, the test paper code for all these psychology subjects is same. That is, be it sports psychology, be it applied psychology, be it MA in psychology, the test paper code is PGQP46. Okay, so for MSc Psychology, eligibility criteria is given as this. That is bachelor's degree in any discipline from a recognized Indian or foreign university as per the AIU foreign equivalence list with at least 50% marks aggregate and 40% marks, 45% marks for OBC, that is non-creamy layer, SC, ST, PWD and Kashmiri migrant and non-migrant students, and who have secured a minimum of 40%. 35% for OBC, non-creamy layers, SC, ST, PWD, Kashmiri migrant and non-migrant students. Marks in the Central University Common Test 2021. So they have given a very detailed eligibility criteria. So if you fall into this category, make sure you read through it very nicely so that you can understand that what are the eligibilities, because there is a little changes in the eligibilities for all courses. So students who are admitted to integrated program in psychology in 2018 and who secure a CGPA of 6, that is 60% and above in the aggregate marks of all semesters, will be given direct admission to MSc program. So this is for those students who have already done the integrated course. The integrated students who secure less than CGPA of 6, that is 60%, shall have to write the entrance examination. A concession of 5% is given to SC, ST, OBC, NCL, and PWD. NCL is the non-creamy layer, so only the non-creamy layers, it's like dedicated to the non-creamy layers. Then the seats left out after integrated degree students admitted to the said program shall be filled in by the applicants who qualify in the central universities common entrance test. So this was the whole eligibility criteria for MSc in psychology. So though for everyone else it's here that the top paragraph, but if you have done the integrated course, then you can refer to the last part also. Let's come to MS psychology part. Then this is we have also referred to one MS psychology part. This is the second course of MS psychology. The PG code here is PG277. So here the eligibility is bachelor's degree in any discipline with 55% marks, 50% in case of SC, ST and OBC, NCL, PWD from a recognized Indian or foreign university. So now talking about MA and MSc, MA or MSc in psychology, here the code is PG278. The eligibility criteria is bachelor's degree with psychology, science, human science, social science, life science, medical science, engineering. So here we have given a variety of courses. So if you belong to any of these courses and with a minimum of 50% marks from any recognized university for general OBC and EWS candidates and 45% marks for SC, ST and PWD candidates. So as stated, if you are have got above 45% marks or 50% marks in these courses in bachelor's, so you are eligible for this course. Now MSc in applied psychology, here the course code is PG279. Eligibility is any bachelor's degree from a recognized university with a minimum of 55% marks for general category, 50% marks for OBC, non-creamy layer, 45% marks for SC, ST, PWD candidates at graduate level. Coming to MSc applied psychology, bachelor's degree with 50% marks in any discipline from a recognized university. So here the here there is a same course. Here the eligibility is about getting 50% marks in any discipline from a recognized university. Now coming to MA MSc sports psychology. So sports psychology is also a course offered by these universities. The course code is PG281. Eligibility is bachelor's degree in arts, science in any subjects with psychology as the subjects or any other examination recognized equivalent thereto or higher degree with 50% marks or equivalent grade in aggregate for general category and 45% or equivalent grade for SC, ST, OBC, PWD, EWS candidates. So these were the courses which we have discussed. The exam dates have been discussed. The last date is 5th September. Make sure. Also important links. So the prospectus, we will be linking the prospectus, the official website, as well as the notice that we all received yesterday that the last date has been postponed. I will be linking all these 3 details in the description box below. You can go through it, go through the prospectus for more details. And I hope, so yeah, thank you everyone. I hope that you all have got the brief about this entrance exam, admission details like the eligibility criteria and all. So all the best for your preparation. Take care. Thank you.